Alright, this is about to be a complete balancing act right now. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little PCH cruise and coffee run in the EVO Spyder and meeting up with my friend Alyssa from Monza, who's going to be in another EVO Spyder. Should be another pretty fun afternoon, and I want to give another big shout out to Monza Exotics for making this video possible. I've linked them below. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and meet up with Alyssa. Alright, now let's go link up for some coffee. Just a reminder too, I have the full POV review and drive, the day in the life with this car, a how to drive and a canyon drive on it, which I'll link all within this video for you to go check out if you haven't already. It's a more in-depth look at the Huracan EVO Spyder. Alrighty, well, we have linked up with Alyssa here in the black EVO behind us. Had to do a little outfit change too because it is so hot out. But yeah, we'll get on the road here for a little cruise. And it is still foggy on PCH. The weirdest marine layer lately. Like literally, you go 100 yards inland, perfectly sunny. It's late too, it usually burns off by now. It's 3 o'clock already and still here. Not horrible though, cools it down a little bit. that target. Beautiful. All right.
Okay, so
well, Alyssa had to break off from us and go do some work, but we are gonna grab some coffee now. Alrighty, let's grab that coffee real quick. All right, this is about to be a complete balancing act right now because we only got one cup holder in this thing. So pop that out. I'm actually gonna put mine in it because there's a little bit less, and as you know, if you've watched the reviews I've done in the Huracans, these cup holders are not to be trusted. They're not like the Porsche cup holders. They're very shallow, so if you're driving aggressively, you're probably gonna lose your drink. But yeah, I'll take a little bit more out of this one actually. All right, I think that one's good. And then this one, we're just gonna have to hold on to while we drive. Ooh. Drop her back into Corsa and get on out of here. Which probably not the brightest idea, having it in Corsa, having to shift with my one hand, but makes it more interesting. I do not trust that. Have a second cup holder right there. I don't know if it's an option. I've seen some Lamborghinis that do have a cup holder like this on the right hand side as well. It should just be standard if you ask me. I don't know why it even would be an option. I know you can get an attachment for one back there too, but like in the Aventadors as well, but it's nice to see on the new Revueltos, which I'm assuming the Temenarios will have something similar as well. Have the cup holder, it's much like the cup holder in the 991 and prior 911s, to where there's two of them in the dash. They fold out once you open the little tray there and pop both of them out, which is super nice. And then when they're stowed away, you can't even tell they're there. But for now, we're gonna have to be the human cup holder. But ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna wrap up the video here. Keep it nice and short today. Just wanted to have something up on the channel for you guys to watch. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for when I post new uploads. Got a lot more videos coming here in the near future, and just in general, I'm gonna mix it up with some new types of content as well. All car stuff, but just different formats. But again, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.